How to screen record on iPhone 15. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Got an iPhone 15 and want to learn how to screen record like a pro? Don't worry. Today I'll walk you through the simple steps to capture your screen in no time. So let's get started. First, make sure the screen recording option is in your control center. Here's how. Open the settings app. Tap Control Center and scroll down and tap the green plus icon next to screen recording. Now, the screen recording button will appear in your control center. To start recording, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open Control Center, then tap the screen recording icon, which looks like a solid circle inside a ring. You will see a 3-second countdown and your recording begins. During the recording, a red bar or bubble at the top of the screen shows that recording is active. When you are done, tap the red bar at the top or go back to Control Center and tap the screen recording icon again to stop. The recording will be automatically saved in your Photos app. Here's a quick tip. Want to include audio? Long press the screen recording icon in the Control Center, then tap the microphone button to turn it on, and then start recording. And that's it. Now we are ready to record anything on your iPhone 15. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.